Hi YouTubers, it's Andre here from the DIY Bench. The purpose of this video today is to show you how I am leveling my CNC machines. So some of you might recognize the threaded rod here on the left side is what you would find on, I'm not sure if it's on the smaller machines, but a while back I ordered a CNC machine from China, and the way to level the machine was by means of this. So you can push the machine around, it had some wheels. Once it was in place, you had to use this to level the machine. Those of you who recognizes this type of foot to level the machine will know that the bottom part, the washer or the foot, this nut and the threaded rod is all spot welded together so that they move as one piece. While on the body there's another nut like this, and that is welded to the body of the machine. So this will turn independently of this, or rather the other way around. This will turn independently from this. So as you turn this foot by means of this nut here, this nut, well, the threaded rod would move in or out of this top nut, and it would lower the machine or take it up. Now what I've done, before I go on there, now what would happen if you turn this nut here at the bottom? There's a lot of resistance from the ground to this bottom foot here, so the machine would tend to move, sort of like make small steps, move in circular motions. And I mean, that is just a problem if you have tiles, or it doesn't matter, even if a concrete floor, it will just damage the floor really badly. So this is what I've done. On my previous machine then, I removed this nut, I cut it off here, I removed these three pieces from each other, and I replaced the nut here with a bearing. I kept the bottom part, and this is still the same. Now this part is still welded to the body of the machine, and as you turn the threaded rod, it will move in and out of this. The big difference is now here. I'm going to take it out. So I've machined a small part of the front of it off so it fits the bearing, and the bottom foot, you must make sure the hole is big enough at least to clear this part, because the inner part has got to turn independently of the outer part, which is now welded to the foot, and it moves independently now, and that's exactly what you want. So the foot will remain still, and this part, as you turn this, the inner part of the bearing moves independently of that, so it doesn't step around making circles or damage your floor. So this is just going to work fantastically great. I can't wait to put them in now. You'll see I don't have a nut here at the bottom, because you're probably wondering, how will I now adjust this? I'm just going to take a wrench, because my machine, the nut is quite high up in the body of the machine. So I have all of this. I mean, it's not necessary. You can always put a nut like this in here, weld it together there, and use that. But since I have all of this, I'm not going to bother there. I don't want to weld on my threads there. So, but that's up to you. I'm just going to take a wrench and I'm just going to turn it there, and I just think this is going to make the world of a difference, adjusting the height of the machine. So I really hope this can help some people out there if they were thinking of a solution, but I'm sure this is going to work fantastically great once I've got it fitted to the machine. Thank you everybody, cheers.